Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and we have the ATOP P01 SkySoar 3-channel RC airplane here from our friends at Banggood.com. You get everything that you need in the box to get flying. You get the plane, you get the controller or the transmitter, and you get the battery and recharger. Again, it's made of EPO foam, so it's going to be highly resilient, but even more so because it has the propeller at the back. When you hit the ground, you're inevitably going to hit the ground with the nose of the plane first. And planes that have the propeller at the front, you're often going to break that propeller. It has auto leveling, which is going to be very good for beginners. Means if you get into, upside down or back to front, then it's going to auto level the plane so you can continue normal flight. So that's it. Let's take the components out of the box. Let's see what we get. Okay, here we go. These are all the components out of the box. So this is the SkySoar itself, made, as I said, of this resilient EPO foam, so if it should hit the ground, it is going to bounce. The propeller's at the back, which is great. It's a pusher, so it pushes this along. You can see the elevators at the back and the push rods. Servos are hidden away inside. The ailerons as well for roll with the servos inside. The battery goes inside. After you take that off, it slots into the front and then clips at the back. Then you've got the transmitter, 2 sticks obviously, as on any other aero transmitter. Just probably got to put a couple of AA batteries in the back there. In the bag we've got the instructions, the LiPo battery, which is a 1-cell 380 milliamp hour battery, so probably get quite a long flight time out of that. The recharge USB lead is in there as well, so plug it into your laptop or into a little converter into your mains power supply. You've got a screwdriver as well should you need to take the wing off and make any adjustments, and you've got a spare propeller as well. So brilliant. Okay, so otherwise what we're going to do is charge this up and take it down to the flying field to get it in the air. But before I do, just a quick reminder to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button for the Essential RC YouTube channel, and you will want to click the bell icon as well so you are reminded of any uploads that we make in the future. Alright, SkySoar, here we go. Let's see if it flies. The gyro is on. It does look a little bit nervous looking. Here we go. So the great thing about this is that it's made of EPO foam, so it will bounce. So we just have to put the battery inside. I don't know, I'm not quite sure what happened there. But it is almost indestructible, so we're just gonna carry on. Try again. Oh dear, no, look, the front bit's come off. That's a disaster. See that little the little front piece of the nose has come off, and I don't have a bit of tape on it. But should we just carry on? Let's try again. Nose has come off. So if in doubt, fly straight at the cameraman. Oh, it's flying okay now. It's made of foam, Nathan. It'll just bounce off you.
It'll be fine. Less of the foam, more the spinning blades that really get me.
Yeah, but that's at the back. Oh, it's going really good.
keeping up with it, Nathan?
Always. This is the best camera work your YouTube channel's ever seen.
Got the cameraman! Hold on, I'll just put the battery back in and we'll try again. That's 5 points.
I can confirm that definitely did not hurt.
Oh, 3. It wouldn't turn left. Some strange reason.
What you do for your YouTube channel, Dom?
It's what I do for this YouTube channel. Adam, hold that for me. There you go.
FYI, I have contacted my lawyers. Been in a plane accident.
Yes. Put it back. There we go. So that's the Sky Soarer. It's kind of 50% predictable which way it'll go, but there is a little bit of wind. Do you think that's probably... So thanks for watching this flight test, and we'll see you for the next one. And then I'll do another round.
How much is it?
It's all already.
Oh.
Right. So hold on. So Rosie is going to have a go of the Sky Soarer. See how easy it is. So I'll launch it. I better tell you what the sticks
Maybe,
for.
yeah, maybe.
Because that might help. So you've got left and right roll,
Okay.
up and down, pull back for up. But it needs a little bit of pull back, I would say. Let's just give it a bit of up trim. And then that's the throttle.
Okay.
So the power on that side. So maybe just concentrate on that stick and leave it at that. Yeah?
Yep.
You ready? 3, 2, 1. Pull back. And turn. Pull up. Not bad. Flew for about 5 seconds.
I flew straight into the ground.
Wait there, we'll try again.
Some lovely battle music to him running towards the camera. It's like Daniel Craig coming out the sea in James Bond.
Close.
Baywatch thing.
Without the hair. Right, so you need to pull back on as it turns. You need to pull back on that stick as well, because it will lose height when it turns.
Okay.
All right, it's basic aerodynamics, Rosie.
Yeah, sorry, I put my strong point.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
And turn. Yes. And straighten up. It's a natural. That was good. There you go. Proof that anybody could fly the Sky Soar. Thanks for watching this one. See you next time. Right, ready?
Yeah.
And turn. Yes. And straighten up. It's a natural. That was good.